If your Office is corrupted, not activating, or refusing to uninstall, this will fix it. First, click Start. Search for PowerShell. Then right-click and choose Run as administrator. Now copy and paste this command exactly as shown on screen. Then press Enter. This tool will automatically download Microsoft's official removal assistant and detect all installed Office versions. Follow the prompts, type Y if asked, and let it run. This may take a few minutes. Your PC might restart. That's normal. After that, Microsoft Office will be completely removed. And that's it. Clean uninstall, no leftovers. Don't forget to like and follow for more.